I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way.
Last week we explored the southern end of Atherton Tablelands. Join us this week as we push further north up through the Tablelands to some iconic waterfalls and some beautiful swimming holes.
More waterfalls!
We're going to go to Barron Falls.
I think this is meant to be one of the most impressive ones up here.
Yep.
We are not doing the cable car or the train, the scenic railway. Both look epic, but we've decided we'll save that for another trip up to Cairns, because we'll definitely come back one day. And it's probably a better thing if you're staying in Cairns in a hotel and doing it as a day trip.
Or if you've got a bung hip and you've got kids and shit.
Yeah, so we'll save that for later on in our life.
Yep.
Now just for the falls. I can hear them already. I don't think it's going to be a hard walk. You always walk with such, like, I'm going to be an idiot whenever I put my camera on you.
What do you mean? That's just our walk.
No, it's not.
There it is. A waddle.
What do you think, sir?
Spectacular. Huge. Huge. Biggest fall I've ever seen.
It is. Unfortunately, we timed it horrendously with the sun for awesome pictures, but it's pretty epic. Can we explore some more?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are we?
Mitchell Lookout?
Right, look out.
Right, Lookout.
We've literally just walked past the sign.
I reckon Wright was friends with Mitchell though, so it's easy mistake.
Okay.
Cool.
No one else here. I'm not sure it's quite as common on the Barron Falls National Park scale, but yeah.
You can see Cairns down below. It's just like nestled in the mountains and the forest.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's only a 50-metre return walk, which is more my sort of walk. Yeah.
Yep.
We're now heading to camp, which is another national park campground a bit further away.
Yep.
Davies Creek, upper camping area.
Where else but Queensland?
We can finally say that now. We're actually back in Queensland after how many months? September, October, a lot of months. Just in case the camera did not manage to get that, that was a family of wild boar. Mummy, daddy and 3 wild boarlets. What's a wild boar? Baby wild boars. Fortunately we were too slow to get at them when they ran across the road. But yeah, that was... We saw a wild boar dead on the side of the road the other day, but that was the first wild boar that's crossed our pathway. Ooh, it's boggy in there. Decided to do Davies Creek Falls tomorrow because the car park was really full and it's getting late, and I might try and have a camp shower, wash the hair. And I'll have a fire tonight, first time in a while. It'll be nice. Sit out and enjoy the forest. Like really like 2 flavours arguing against. This is our first fire on our own. Decided, given there's loads of firewood near the fire pit, to have a fire. I think our first one we've had without guests our whole trip. So it has been getting a bit cold. There's fewer bugs, so we can sit out a bit longer. So maybe we'll enjoy a beer by the fire. Getting smoked out already. This is why we don't have fires. Pretty hard. The sun is out again, and we're at Emerald Falls, which is just north of our campground in Dinden National Park. It's 1.7k return walk.
6k return.
Hoping to go for a swim, which is good because it's nice and warm. But yeah, we're basically continuing our search for the waterfalls.
Yeah.
Great North, Northern Queensland.
So if you hate people having fun swimming in waterfalls,
stop watching now.
The video's for you.
But yeah, hopefully it's good and we can cool down. Then we're going to head to Davies Creek Fall, just on the way back to camp. Too cold for Justin.
Alex still isn't in the water though, is she?
I haven't got in or out yet.
I haven't got in or out either.
Now the Brits do it. How deep do you reckon it is? Kind of in. Now I've been in, is he going to brave it?
Probably not.
It's lovely once you're in. Your whole body gets like refreshed.
I've drank beer that's warmer than this.
Join him then. Woo. I feel like I'm gonna get pushed into the wall like Justin did. Yep. I'm in the wall. Woo. That was not fun. That was terrifying. I'm going. Oh, Jesus Christ. I honestly thought I was going to drown over there. No, because it pushed me in and under. I had to like grab onto it. Especially when I got like this GoPro in one hand. I understand understand why you're not meant to go swimming in like fast water. This doesn't even look fast.
Oh, it's heaps fast. Look how shallow it is there.
How do you get out?
Go towards the shallow and walk out.
The waterfalls are cool there. So how was Emerald Falls?
It was good. It was freezing cold.
It was really, but it wasn't like freezing cold. I didn't want to get in. It was like real, like my whole body feels refreshed.
Yeah.
I think it was a nice freezing cold.
Once you're in,
Ooh.
it was tolerable.
I've got a friend. Oh, he's gone. Tolerable, yeah. And luckily it's a pretty sunny day and the rocks keep all the heat, so you can quickly heat up again.
I would say the current in that main top pool we went in was
dangerous.
pretty intense.
Yeah, definitely wouldn't.
I definitely, if you've got young kids,
right now,
chuck them in there.
never see them again.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just gonna head off maybe to Davies Creek waterfall. We'll see what the time is by the time we get there. We've got to drive past it to get to camp, which means we've got to drive past it again the next morning, so maybe we'll go tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
See how we get along. Yeah, just a beautiful walk out of here to go. $5K to go. 11K down. Woohoo! 11K down. 1K to go.
Phew.
Oh, that's my speed.
That marks the end for our time in Atherton Tablelands. Join us next week as we head up into the Daintree rainforest and get up close and personal with some prehistoric animals.